Hello guys, welcome to all, and in this video I'm showing you some extra part of my studio instead of making painting directly. Okay, so let me start. Actually, this 12 by 12 inches canvas is very comfortable to me nowadays, and at late night I started this video, and thanks to all to make my watch hours more than my expectation. I thought that it may be 1 hour or 2 hour because of the previous experiences, but on my channel recently I have around 10 hours, and before 2 months I started this channel, and thanks to all to watch my videos regularly, and keep watching. So now uh, in this video I have some mixed emotions, like foodie taste, because on that day I tasted some tasty meals on night. Okay, so let's start coloring, and in this coloring technique, very easy actually. This is very easy technique in the abstract art, not for others. In landscape, maybe better, but if you are learning abstract art and you love to watch abstract paintings, so this technique is very attractive and very simple to use, because the colors and their mix and their patches will be natural, and you can uh, use a kind of various kinds of shades and tones of the colors. Okay, so in this video you're watching the brown, the burnt sienna, and green, lemon yellow. Green was not applied, but I will mix with the lemon yellow with the cobalt blue. It will automatically give a greenish effect. So I wanted to make it lighter, in a lighter tone, because in the previous video I told you I got a different idea to make another painting with small patches and various patches and very small amount of textures. Okay, in my abstract art form, in my style, I used to make lot of textures over the canvas, everywhere on the canvas, on the final layer. But in this painting you will see the different. Okay, so keep watching, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and like and comment, and please ignore my language. My language is not so good, very bad language, but my visual language may be nice. Okay, so keep watching, and in the canvas board. Okay, this is the canvas board. So in this board, on the sides, side edges, not necessary, but if you are not ready to make frames on this canvas, so that's why I'm doing a little coloring on the sides, so it will not be uh, like blank. And as you know, the feeling of an artist convey from the art, but it needs some touch, the personal touch from a human. So the style works itself, but artists should use their hands directly on the canvas while they are painting, because direct connections make more emotional and more effective with the natural effects and natural strokes. For the luxurious effect, I'm using black, because it symbolizes what? It symbolizes strength, passion and ambition. Okay, so I'm using one more thing, the coolness that is presented by the blue color. Okay, so blue color can indicate the okay, this is blue color, and please don't mind my language because it may be little grammatical mistake, but I hope you may like because this is natural. My language and my heart, everything is natural for you, my viewers. Green, why this green? This is vermilion hue. It will mixed with black, it will make a sap green, the dark sap green. So it is the uh, presentation, or it symbolizes the growth of a human, growth of a nature. Okay, so that's why I'm using this color. And you know, I don't need to use white color in this or any lighter color on this, because this is the light tone and the darker tone will make an darker space, and while I will scratch them, it will create a glowing effect, and definitely you will like it. Okay, let me start. I need some water. In this painting I will use this brush. This is flat brush, and you know, this is 38 mm. Okay, in inches you can measure more than 1 inches. Okay, so this is sufficient to cover it within some seconds. Okay, you can count the seconds. I'm using some water, and this water is drinkable fine water, and I'm using big amount of water with these colors. Okay, green and blue and black. Okay, so it doesn't matter how it will appear, but I like it. And very thin layer of this, it will make a darker layer. Okay, little darker, but there are so many spaces. Okay, I will not cover all the painting, all the canvas, because I told you in the previous painting video. If you're not even seeing, please look at that previous video. I told you that I will not cover all the video. Before that video, I used to cover all the video, all the canvas. Sorry for my language. My language is not good, I know, but my heart is pure to express my art. So now I'm using this cloth to smoothing this patch of color, the darker color on the canvas, and it is merged gradually with the previous layer. Okay, if you want to understand the art, you have to live with the art. This is the biggest example. Okay, now as I told you in the previous 2 videos, I forgot my painting knives and other elements, other tools, not elements, other tools somewhere in the painting competition. So I have to use this painting knife, but I am very comfortable with painting knife. So let me start. Okay, let it dry. Okay, this is very weight, this is weight surface, so that's why it is Okay, so my hand got little darker, and but I made even layer on this surface and just cleaned up with the cloth, and now I'm ready. I must ready to make these scratches. So let me make these scratches. If these scratches are similar to the previous experiments, it will be according to my characterism art abstract art style. Okay, my style name is abstract art. Let me rotate because my characterism and floating dot is both art styles do not depends on any particular space, particular direction, or anything else. They are free from everything of this world. Okay. Let me do first. I forgot to make these scratches on the outer line or outer spaces of these shades of the black color. And you know, this is the rich feel artwork, and you can use at the luxurious spaces like offices, like your drawing room. If you feel, if you are really a rich man or rich woman, okay, it doesn't matter what you are, but my mood and your mood must be similar to each other. Okay, so that's why I'm telling, and I'm not differentiating kinds of human. Okay, so don't mind it. And you see, as I am scratching at all the surface, so the lighter part is coming out. Okay, so this is what, this is the emotion of myself. Okay, don't make the joke of this. Why? Because this is real. Artists, if you know, artists are emotional, so this is my emotion. Okay, I want to express my light moods, my soft emotions under the hard emotions. Okay, like coconut. If you know the coconut have lot of softness, lot of healthy benefits, but it is hidden under a hard surface. Okay, so you got it. I hope you may got it because you are watching this video, so I think a little bit you are intelligent and more than the normal people of this world. I will not make a lot of scratches, but some necessary and required scratches. And while I do not require some outer surfaces, the dark surfaces, so I gonna wait with water, and if the sketches will be possible, so I will make them. But on the another condition I can skip because these are sufficient, and I already shared this idea in the previous video. If you even not watched the previous video, so you can watch now. Okay, so don't worry and stay connected with this channel to be the part of real artistic feel. My all the artworks are illusion. You can see the textures, but they are not actually. They can make you feel. Okay, they can make you feel like rich, but they are in the depth, in your mood, in your emotions. Let me make some bigger scratches. Okay, I think all the layers, the outermost layer of the black color is dried now, so that's why it is not able to be drawn. Okay, I can draw over the layer, but as you see, this artwork is completely rich feeling and luxurious and very beautiful. So you're gonna like, comment and share now, and like, comment and share. Okay, thank you, bye, see you in the next video.